Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy an entire quiz in Microsoft Forms. This is incredibly useful when you need to reuse a quiz structure or create multiple versions of the same assessment without starting from scratch each time. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms and quizzes are stored and managed. After logging in, you'll land on your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Here, look for the option labeled My Forms and click on it. This section displays all the forms and quizzes you've created, making it easy to locate the specific one you need to work with. Take a moment to browse through your list and find the quiz you want to copy. Once you've located the quiz, you'll notice three dotted lines or a menu icon next to it. This is typically positioned on the right side of the quiz title. Click on these three dotted lines to reveal additional options for managing your quiz. This menu is where Microsoft Forms keeps all the essential actions you can perform on your quizzes and forms. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Copy and click on it. This action will create a duplicate of your entire quiz, including all questions, settings, and formatting. The copied quiz will appear in your My Forms section with the same title, usually with a note indicating it's a copy. You can then rename it and make any adjustments you need for your specific purpose. And there you have it. You've successfully copied your entire quiz in Microsoft Forms, saving yourself time and effort in recreating similar assessments. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.